Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. In. Where is the doll? It's in the box. Where is the doll? It's in the box. Where is the sponge? It's in the boat. Where is the jacket? It's in the closet. Where is the fork? It's in the sink. Where is the crayon? It's in the pencil case. Where is the girl? She's in the teacher's room. Uh-oh. Where is the apple? It's in the bowl. Where is the tank top? It's in the washing machine. I hope you found what you were looking for. Okay, great job. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.